Hello guys, Jessica again, aka dYdX. So today I'm gonna be walking you through on how to trade using the dYdX Pocket Pro bot. So first of all, we are going to deposit into our Pocket Pro bot. So we have 29.45 USDC in my So we are going to transfer the 29.45 USDC into the Pocket Pro bot. So we're going to go back to our Telegram in order to copy this wallet. So we're going to search for Pocket Pro bot. To click on the second one. Then we have Ethereum wallet and we have the Solana wallet. We are going to copy the Solana wallet address. So when you're trying to get started with the Pocket Pro bot, you're gonna have your secret phrase and you are going to import it into your Phantom wallet. I'm gonna come back to that. Okay, I've successfully copied the Solana wallet ID. So I'm going to paste it on my Bybit in order to initiate the transfer. So we have our balance on the Pocket Pro bot and this is our balance on the Phantom wallet. So we are going to bridge in order to start trading. So first of all, we're gonna click on deposit. After clicking on the deposit, we're gonna click on bridge and we are going to wait for like 10 minutes in order for it to reach successfully. So I've successfully reached. The next step is to position for a trade. So we're going to click on the menu and we are going to see a whole lot of options. So I'm going to be clicking on position. As you can see, we do not have a position yet. So I'm going to long or short the trade. So when I say I'm going to long a trade, this is what I mean. It means that I'm buying because I expect the price to go up. So I make profits when the asset rises. For example, I buy BTC at 83K. If it goes up to like 100K, then I gain. When I'm shorting, it means I'm selling or I'm borrowing the asset because I expect the price to go down. So I make profit if the asset falls. For example, I short BTC at 83K. If it drops down to like 70K, then I win. So basically, what we mean is long equal to I think it will rise, while short means I think it will fall. Okay, so on our screen we are seeing reply with the figure of the token you would like to long. So I'm going to long BTC, which means I'm gonna use the ticker. So after that, this is what we're gonna see. We are going to choose our leverage. So our variable margin is the total number of money we have. The current price is the current price of BTC. Then we have the markets, we have the limit, we have the isolated, we have the cross, then we have different leverage 5x, 10x, 50x, and the x, which means we can edit it. So, what do we mean by leverage? Leverage basically means using borrowed money to increase the potential return of an investment. It allows you to control a larger portion with a smaller amount of your own capital. For example, you have $1,000 and want to buy without leverage, you can only buy $1,000 worth of stock. With 10x leverage, you can control $10,000 worth of stock, borrowing $9,000. So I'm going to explain what market, limit, isolated, and cross is all about. Market order. This means you buy or sell immediately at the current market price, fast, but you don't control the exact price. Limit order. This means you set the exact price you want to buy or sell. The trade only happens when the market reaches your price. Isolated margin. Your leverage position is protected on its own. If it is losing, only the margin you put into that specific trade is at risk. Then the cross margin, just as the name implies, all your funds and the features wallet are shared across all positions. If one trade is losing, it can use the rest of your balance to stay open. Hence, you can get liquidated. So that being said, I'm going to click on market as selected, and I'm going to use 5x leverage. So we have our pending order, which I'm logging BTC with 5x leverage. So I'm going to choose position one, and I'm going to be using $20 for my position margin, and our available margin is $29. So I'm imputing the amount of money we're gonna use to position. So I'm gonna be clicking on confirm, and we have this is still executing, and then so basically we've just opened a trade. So the next step is to close the trade. So I've sent the command, and we are going to close long BTC, and we have this. We are going to execute. So after executing, we are done. Okay, so we've successfully closed the trade. So on my next video, I'm going to talk about how to add trigger in order to minimize losses and secure profit. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.